Hello viewers, welcome to my channel, a projection Cybertalk YouTube channel এবং সাথে আছে আপনাদের হোস্ট আমি রেহমান। তো আজকে আমরা মর্টার ইন্টেলিজেন্স ওয়েবসাইটটিতে আছি। আমরা আজকে ল্যান্ড লাইফ অ্যান্ড নন লাইফ ইন্স্যুরেন্স মার্কেট ইন কানাডা এর গ্রোথ নিয়ে ডিসকাস করব। তো চ্যানেল যদি নতুন হয়ে থাকেন অবশ্যই চ্যানেল সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি ক্লিক করে দিতে পারেন এবং পরবর্তীতে ভিডিও নোটিফিকেশন পাওয়ার জন্য অবশ্যই বেল বাটনটি ক্লিক করে দিতে পারেন। So the market overview, the life and non-life insurance market in Canada is poised to grow a CAGR of greater than 3.5% by 2027. The insurance sector is made up of companies offering risk management in front of insurance contact. Life insurance company focus on legacy planning and replacing human capital value, and property or casualty insurance aims at replacing the value of homes. Car or valuable Canada is observing continuous growth in population with around 38.23 million of the population in 2021, leading to a positive environment for the insurance industry. With the advent of COVID-19 in Canada, death rate per 100,000 of the population of reach a peak level compared to all the previous year, with total death 808.5 in a million of the population. In increase in death rate, focus shifted toward life insurance because of the heavy amount being paid by people in hospitalization. Annual median income in Canada has observed continuous growth even during the pandemic, leading people to the invest in different properties and creating a market for non-life insurance. Liability insurance, property and casualty insurance, and auto insurance, every sector had observed continuous growth in net premiums written, creating a positive market for the business in invest in Canada life and non-life insurance market. During year 2021, net writing written premium for liability PNC and auto insurance exist 5.9, 49.52 and 20.6 billion USD. The scope of the report. The report aims to provide a detailed analysis of Canada's life and non-life insurance market. It focused on the market dynamic, emerging trends in the segment and the regional markets, and the insight into various product and application type. Also, it analyzed the key plays and competitive landscape in Canada's life and non-life insurance market. The life and non-life insurance market in Canada are segmented by insurance type: life insurance, individual, group, and non-life insurance, home, motor, health, rest of non-life insurance. By distribution of channel, district, agency, bank, and other distribution channel. The report offered market size and forecast for opportunity in the Canadian life and non-life insurance market in value USD million. For all the above segment, the report offers market size and forecast for Canada life and non-life insurance market in value USD billion for all above segment. So the key market trends: increase in GDPs per capita in boosting the demand for insurance. The GDP is the divided by the nation's total population to calculate GDP per capita, a metric frequently used to give the economic growth and potential productivity increase. The GDP of the nation increased by 20.1% from the previous years of USD 52,015 in 2021. A positive change is a sign of economic growth, and GDP per capita is a crucial indicator of a nation's economic strength. The nation's per capita income has risen recently and the forecast to keep rising. The Canadian insurance industry will grow strongly on the back of robust GDP growth and evolving regulation. So the private technology investments are anticipated to surge the market. The US-based Brightcore cloud-based fully managed policy administration system, the US-based Risk Genuine, and the Canada-based Pro Navigator are the insurtech companies profiled in the previous quarter. Both of these company offers services. So the competitive landscape, the reports cover the major players operating in the life and the non-life insurance market in Canada. The market is fragmented and expected to grow during the forecast period due to the adoption of insurtech increasing in the sector along with the several merger and acquisition activities and other factors. Major players such as the manufacturer life insurance company Federation Days Sun Life Insurance Company of Canada, the Canada Life Insurance Company, and other have significant share in the life and the non-life insurance market. So the recent development, the on December 2022, Westland Insurance acquired Gateway Insurance Group and Hudson, Renault, and Caswell Insurance with this acquisition. Westland has expanded its already robust property and casualty P&C practice and growing its presence and strategically important Ontario and Atlantic Canada region. On November 2022, the Stonebridge Insurance Brokers acquired Safeway Insurance. Stonebridge Insurance Broker is a landing providing insurance and consulting service whose platforms includes in insurance brokerage, group benefits, and Safeway is providing the consumer with a large selection of property casualty insurance products along with a variety of financial protection such as life insurance and investments option.